Hello and welcome. Let's look at this WAEC 2019 government past question number 11. The Confederal system of government is unpopular because A. The government operates oligarchy system. B. It does not follow due process. C. It discourages rapid development. D. All the component units are sovereign. So what do we mean by a confederal state? Whenever you hear the word confederal, it simply means in a country, say Nigeria, you have the western region, the south, the east, the north. So you have each of them being very powerful. Each of them are powerful. They are more powerful than the country as a whole. So that's why we say all component units are sovereign. It simply means that the component units are very powerful. The component units are powerful. So you see that a president will not want the various parts to be more powerful than the center himself. So that's why most countries, they don't want to use this type of government confederation. The individual units are very powerful in confederation. So confederation is where the individual component states are powerful, or they are more powerful than the central government. So that's why some country, they don't want to use it. So option B is the closest answer. It does not discourage rapid development. It actually encourages rapid development. So this cannot be the correct option. It does not follow due process. No, there's nothing like that. It follows due process. Once the states have agreed on it, so it follows due process. So this cannot be the option. The government operates oligarchy system. No, it does not operate oligarchy system. So the right option is D. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.